Welcome back, everyone. This is going to be our campsite today. It's a little snowy, a little wet. We'll make it work. I've got my boots. I think I'm going to put those on. Getting a break in the weather a little bit, so I'm gonna set the tent up. Aha! Just about got it set up, but the rain is starting to come down. I think that's a nice little setup. And you can see it is raining. It has not stopped. There's a little bit of snow mixed in, but it ain't bad. Especially when you have boots for puddles like this. Even though it's raining off and on, let's try to set this stove up for the first time. See how that goes. Oh, alarm's going off. Inhaler. For my lungs. So this will go. But first, we're going to lay down this fire mat. Cot will go right there. So if that's the case, then I will walk the feeding port this way. What I'm trying to figure out is if I have the combustion chamber after or before the damper. I'm gonna try it like that, I guess. I was thinking it would go straight up, but I have an elbow piece and it seems to be the right height. And my question is answered. Alright, that looks better. However, I don't have enough pipe to go any higher. That's definitely not 5 feet. I'll come up with some kind of solution. Yeah, so I was gonna show you how this operates. So this is a pretty neat sleeping pad. Be careful not to knock that over. So easy. And I'm charging up my lights right now. It's getting dark. If that wasn't enough, I got this really comfy blanket. I'm gonna get this stove figured out, and hopefully everything goes smooth. And if not, I do have a fire extinguisher. Do I have a lighter though? Hopefully I have one in my drawer. You'd think the first aid kit would have a lighter. Unbelievable. This fire is freaking fabulous. It's gonna keep it nice and cozy, but I am a little worried about the smoke. The good thing is there's these vents up top, and I can actually crack this too. Rain, you can hear it. It's really coming down. It's not the forecast. Over here I got a pocket. Right next to the cot, there's also little windows. It looks like you can pull part of the floor up. So, quite modular with this thing. Pretty cool. This stove is leaking. Probably should have tested it outside of the tent first. So I've got all these windows cracked. So that's kind of a bummer. Anyway, I've decided to call it. Good morning, everybody. Time now is 6:15 a.m. and had my alarm set. It's funny, right as it went off, battery died, so I got lucky there. I also had a watch earlier. It was starting to dig into my wrist, so I took it off. And I have this pocket, but it fell out, and I do not know where it went. But yeah, that was a really good sleep. It rained off and on quite a bit. I'm gonna try to get up, and right now I've got a break from the rain, so hopefully it stays that way, and then I'll be able to pack up this tent. Okay, I am going to make a cup of coffee first. For that, I'll get my trusty stove. Ooh, this is too small for this. Now what do I do? There we go. Aha! Suppose while this boils, I shall start packing everything up. I don't have a spoon. Oh,